Hey, thanks for watching. My name's Rick, and I'm the brand new owner of a 2021 Tesla Model Y. About 16,000 miles on it when we bought it on Thursday. And even though I watched hundreds of videos about Teslas and tried to learn everything I could about them before I did, there was an issue going on initially that I did not really know about and never heard about. So if you're new to Tesla and you've bought your car from a non-Tesla dealer or a private party, this may be going on with you as well. And hopefully this will help you and understand what the deal is. So as I said in the title, I cannot charge for my Tesla at a supercharger for 3 to 5 days. And the reason for that is you have to take ownership of the car when you buy it. Now, when you buy from Tesla directly, it automatically goes into your Tesla account and the car is paired with you. If you buy from a dealer or from a private party, that's not the case. To get the car paired to you, or to take ownership, as they say on the website, you have to upload your driver's license and then other documents that prove you are the owner of the car. It does say on there, if you know the private party you're buying the car from, have them disconnect themselves from the car on the app. If you buy it from a dealer, I guess you could have the dealer contact the person for you and have them take themselves off the app as well. Something I would have done with I bought my car from Tucson Subaru, just happened to be, I found it there. I've been looking for Teslas for quite a long time now. And I found the one that I wanted and happened to know everybody over there. I bought a number of cars from them actually. I would have had them try to do this process for me before I bought it. So when you get your car, if you don't have ownership yet, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see this thing here that says supercharging unavailable, add a payment source to your account. And the truth of the matter is, I have a Tesla account because we are in the process of doing solar panels with them. I did add a credit card there, but the car is still not in my account. So at this point, I am unable to supercharge. I found a little bit of information on this the last couple of days trying to figure this out. I had to go to Phoenix to pick up my wife. I wanted to pick her up in the car so she could see it and experience it. And I knew we would probably have to charge to get back home. This is a long range Model 3. It has, at this point, showing it'll charge just over 300 miles. It's about 120 miles to the airport. Knowing the way EVs work, I knew I was going to need way more range than 120 miles to get there. So I figured, yeah, 300 mile range, I'll probably have to charge a little bit. So we stopped at a supercharger to try it, and it just wouldn't work. I mean, it plugs in, the light turns from white to blue, but it does not charge. I could not figure out any way to do a one-time deal at the supercharger itself. I didn't look around or anything or talk to anyone else at the supercharger. So if there is a way to do that, if you would let me know, that'd be great. Seems like that would be a helpful option. I did call a Tesla service number just to see if they could answer the question, and they said no one was there on the weekends, or the message said that. So basically we just went to a charge point, and the only downside to that is it's just slow. So I think we were there an hour and 10 or 20 minutes to get 30 miles or whatever it was. So cheap is like $1.80, but we just had to spend time. No big deal. I got to give my wife a class on the car, so that was cool. But to reiterate, if you are having this issue and your screen is saying you can't supercharge, chances are you're not going to be able to. Go to the Tesla app, create an account, try to take ownership of the car. It's probably going to take a few days. If you can, contact the previous owner and have them remove the car for you, and or have your dealer try to contact. So hopefully this will be helpful, because like I said, I didn't see much about this. Even searching yesterday, there's not a whole lot about it. So hopefully this will help you if you are trying to figure out your new to you used Tesla. See you next time.